So now let's just summarize the benefits of using platforms as a strategy for product development. So one of the biggest benefits is of course the cost savings, because we are standardizing so many parts across so many different vehicle products. We are reducing the cost required to develop them each and every time. And that means that lesser manufacturing effort will be overall required to actually manufacture the vehicles. So let's say we are manufacturing a component which is having two variants. Now those two variants are manufactured in two different assembly lines. Instead of that, having a single assembly line manufacture the two variants by just varying or just tweaking the process of manufacturing can yield much better and more productive results as compared to doing it separately. In that way, there can be many different advantages of using platforms, of using common parts, of using standardization. And it also cuts down the time of development and testing. Because if, say for example, if you're developing a product and if it's having a certain load rating, and you have developed a component depending on that load rating, and you're trying to use it for a vehicle which is having a lower load rating. So you can directly use that part instead of revalidating it, because you know that it is proven for a higher loads. So it can cut down development time and testing, because for similar types of vehicles the load will be generally similar. Hence the components will also be loaded in a similar fashion, and they don't need to be validated again and again for new products. And again, easy variant creation. Variants can be created very easily for different types of vehicles using platforms. So it saves the overall time and cost of development of systems for the new vehicles. But of course, there are some drawbacks as well. It's very difficult to design these kind of systems. And if there are issues which are arising, which there is a conflict of interest between the two products, then it can be difficult to work around these issues. Platform sharing has become the default product development strategy today. So most of the vehicles which we see today are a part of a bigger platform which has been developed for multiple different products. It makes sense because there are so many variants of a single product, and there are so many different types of vehicles which are being developed today. For that much variety, you cannot always have a separate product development process for each and every vehicle. It has to be commonized, it has to be standardized.